Welcome, Literacy Advocates. I'm Sarah Noel Littman, the Chief Operations Officer of Teen Author Bootcamp Classroom Edition. I'll be guiding you through a brief orientation and tutorial of Classroom today. And on behalf of our nonprofit organization, Writers Cubed, I'd like to welcome you to our team. Thank you for subscribing to TABC Classroom. In doing so, you grant your staff and students access to a valuable resource that will engage your students like never before as they join peers and authors at the largest teen writing conference in the nation. They'll receive expert instruction on creative writing, editing, poetry, and more face-to-face with their favorite YA authors, increasing their literacy and expressive skills that will improve all areas of academia and better prepare them for college, career, and life. Your renewable subscription will not only boost the confidence and capacity of the students in your district, but the funds also provide a Title I school of your choice to be donated a year subscription and provide support for Writers Cubed other literacy missions and programs like Book Drop, where authors address students from economically challenged backgrounds and deliver free books to each student, planting a seed that can blossom into a lifetime love of literacy.
It is not acceptable to live in a country where 61% of families who are in low-income situations do not own a single book for their child. We will not accept that.
I'm Oswald, and I just won the first chapter contest, which is just amazing. I can do something with my talents, and that's really meaningful.
Welcome to the tutorial. Let's get started. After your purchase order has been submitted and your invoice settled, you'll receive the login credentials for your school district's custom website. Before you get started, you may want students and staff to favorite this link on their bookmark bar for easy access. Just type the URL into the browser's address field and have them click the favorite star on the right and click Save. Each school should also have TABC Classroom listed as a resource on their homepage. It's easy to copy and paste the URL onto whatever teacher page or resource menu that you need. You may also want to feature this tutorial link for the benefit of staff and students who will be using Classroom. After clicking the URL link, you'll be asked to enter your password. Welcome to Classroom. We're in the process of rebuilding our site, so the details may change slightly, but you'll get an overall view of how to access and use from this tutorial. First, notice the two main category buttons, which are Featured Content and TABC Vault. Eventually, you may see an option for add-on courses, but for now, let's go over Featured Content. If you click the button, you'll find a list of our latest classes and lesson plans from the most recent TABC Writing Conference. You can scroll through the library to browse the authors or topics that interest you. Or you can use the search bar at the top of the main page. Enter the Common Course Standard or the author's name, class title, desired topic, and hit enter, and it should bring up a list of classes and webinars you can scroll through. To the right of the featured content is our ever-expanding vault of TABC classes. As you scroll down, you'll also find our webinar and podcast archives, along with Tween Author Bootcamp webinars and classes for our younger audience writers ages 8 through 12. And soon, we'll add extended literacy and poetry classes and other add-on courses like NaNoWriMo, our 30-day novel course that can be incorporated into your curriculum or be used as an after-school enrichment program or fundraiser, spring break assignments, or extra practice and fun for school holidays and summer break. To use all or part of a video class, click the Watch button under the class of your choice. You can set it up to show the whole class starting from the beginning or jump to the desired timestamp to show clips and excerpts and daily segments throughout the week. There are two main types of formats our classes are filmed in. All keynote speakers and most of the original classes taught are in a live conference format, giving you the experience of what it's like to be at our live annual TABC conference in March. Most of our recent classes and webinars are filmed in a personal and traditional Zoom class format, face-to-face with your favorite authors. To the right of the watch button is where you will find the lesson plans. Here you can see the Common Core standards covered by each class listed here. If you click the lesson plan button, you'll be brought to the printable PDF link. The audience, titles, standards, materials needed, and a clearly stated class objective are all identified at the top of each lesson plan. Plans can be tailored to the size and ability of your class and can be shortened or lengthened to the duration of time you'd like to spend to cover each subject, from introducing a topic in a day to lengthening the assignment over the week, month, or more. You'll be referred to either a class to watch or short segments of a class to focus on. Throughout the curriculum, you'll find well-planned and engaging links and activities to reinforce the standard being taught and keep the students excited about applying their newfound knowledge. At the end of most lesson plans are optional ongoing lesson ideas, homework assignments, or group activities, like peer editing practice. This not only helps peers as they focus on and identify the lesson they learned that day, but they also are enhancing their editing skills and, most importantly, developing the life skill of receiving, processing, and applying feedback. Lastly, you'll find links to enter submission, like teen anthology, first chapter, and poetry contests. These are more incentives to get them excited about writing, get recognition, gain experience, and boost their confidence when they're featured in the TABC or Gala Awards. You can also offer extra credit and encourage your students to attend the next live Teen Author or Tween Author Bootcamp near you. Our flagship conferences are held in Provo, Utah, but check our website to see and request a new satellite location near you. So that's the basic orientation of how to access and use Teen Author Bootcamp Classroom Edition. I look forward to hearing your feedback. Tell us what you enjoyed, creative ways you used it, and how we can improve if there's something that we can do better. If you haven't upgraded to auto renewal yet, please do so now to continue supporting Writers Cube mission of elevating literacy for all. You can also visit our website at teenauthorbootcamp.com and click Volunteer to find out more ways to further promote and support the cause. Share great experiences online, hashtag Teen Author Bootcamp or hashtag Teen Author Bootcamp Classroom. If you know of an author who'd like to present, or if you'd like to sponsor or volunteer at an upcoming local event, fill out our volunteer form online. And as always, you can donate as a one-time or recurring tax write-off, or you can promote in other ways by joining our street team and enjoy exclusive perks and materials. Check out our TABC and Tween links for more news about sending your students to our one-of-a-kind live writing conferences. Librarians and educators can attend for free with a school pass and earn needed re-licensure points. Thank you for helping open the door to endless possibilities for your students and for the community.